Hello students, in this video I will discuss about the difference between full and the half section. First I will discuss what is full section. Okay, so full section and half section are valid only for the symmetrical components. Okay, when the component is symmetrical. So full sectional view. So suppose this is the component, it is simply a cube. I would like to show you. This is simply a cube. Cube means all the sides are equal. Okay, it is having this square shape, and this is a cube. All the sides are equal. Okay, and it is having some thickness inside, and it is hollow as well. You can see here. Now full section means when it is sectioned by this plane passing through the center of this. So this is the center now. This is the cutting plane passing through this. Okay, when this is being sectioned, after removing this front portion, and the viewer is on this side, after removing this front portion of this, what you will see, you will be able to see this. So this will be the front sectional view in that case. Okay, means to say front half of the portion is removed. Front half of the portion is removed, and you will be able to see these two these two edges will be there being sectioned. Okay, inside is hollow, that there is no sectioning in that area. Okay, so here you can see this is the sectioning I am going to do. So this is hollow. Okay, this area is hollow, that's why there is no section, but the sectioning will be done on these two edges. So here on the other edge as well. So this is known as the full section, because one half of the portion is removed only. It is the component is divided into two equal parts, and the front half of the portion is removed. That is known as full section. Okay, so this is the sectional front view. Sectional front view, and it is component is, of course, the component is symmetrical. One half of the portion is removed. Okay. Now in the second case, that is the half section. Half section. In that case, what will happen? Now again the same component. Here you can see I will be doing it when the cutting plane is such that it will be removing only 1/4 of the portion, 1/4 of the portion. Okay, now I will be removing 1/4 of the portion. Okay, just like you can see here. So this is again same component. Okay, and it is having some thickness, and it is hollow inside. Okay, now you can see this is the cutting plane is like this. Okay, here, and it is moving here, this side. Okay, so it is removing only this half of the portion, 1/4 of the portion, I should say, 1/4 of the portion. Then when you view it from this side, what will happen? What will be the sectional view? Okay, you can see this portion is removed, and this portion will not be visible in the front view. Okay, and then what will happen? You can see in the front view. So only this left hand side portion is sectioned. This left hand edge will be sectioned. Right hand edge is not sectioned. Okay, this right hand edge is not sectioned. Only this left hand edge is sectioned. Means you can see these are the section lines. Okay, only on the one side of this. So this is known as half section. Okay, so only 1/4 of the portion, 1/4 of the portion is removed. And of course these two are valid for the symmetrical components. So this is symmetrical about the axis. So in the previous case it was full section, and 1/2 of the portion, 1/2 or half of the portion is removed. Front half of the portion, you can say, front half of the portion is removed, whereas in second case it is 1/4 of the portion is removed, and this is the difference. I hope you got it, the difference between full section and the half section. Thank you very much.